The Geico Gecko, a symbol of savings, but how did he become an icon? The journey begins with an idea, a friendly face to represent a brand. Early concepts focus on defining the personality. Witty, charming, and always ready with a quip. Dialogue is crucial, setting the tone and establishing the gecko's unique voice. Next comes character design. The gecko's look evolves through sketches, from initial rough drafts to polished final designs. Key visual elements are refined: the vibrant green skin, the expressive eyes, and the suave demeanor that makes him so relatable. Now the animation process. Software tools bring the gecko to life. Animators use 3D modeling and keyframe animation to create his movements. From subtle glances to full-body gestures, each frame is meticulously crafted to capture his personality. The result? A gecko that speaks, moves, and makes us laugh. Timing is key. The gecko's delivery, his facial expressions, and his interactions with other characters are all carefully designed to create effective, memorable advertisements.